welcome to our analysis of the Hearts of Iron field trailer Soviet Struggle. If we go first into the video, we will see a front line between the German Reich and the Soviet Union.
Alone we stood against.
This front line represents the front of Germany and the Soviet Union in 1942, when Germany conducted its Operation Vollblau, where Germany planned to rush into the Caucasus and get its rich oil fields. Besides of that, the UK is also completely occupied by the German Reich as well as British Africa here. So we are not seeing a completely historical case of the war.
Fascism.
Also case below here, it's for the strategic summer offensive in southern Russia, where the Germany failed. They had a strategic axis failure, and from that point the Battle of Stalingrad started, and then the Germans got pushed back up to Berlin. Let's keep looking.
Alone we drove the German invader from Stalingrad.
From Stalingrad, they say here as well. The Battle of Stalingrad was the turning point, you might know, of the Second World War. Result: decisive Soviet victory, complete destruction of the German Sixth Army, and Axis powers lose strategic initiative on the Eastern Front. From this moment on, everything started failing for the Germans. Here, that's also the map, which is approximately the same like in the game.
We prepare to march west. We stand on the edge of victory. But an old enemy has returned to its backstabbing ways.
Here now we can see the Soviet-Japanese hostilities. Surprisingly, in truth, in 1941 a pact of neutrality was signed, but that's not the case here.
Japan and its puppets resist the workers' revolution.
Here in this artwork we can see, well, a Soviet artwork, probably something realistic, maybe, or done really well. Here it says basically solidarity towards our Chinese comrades. So encouraging solidarity towards the Chinese comrades in Russian.
In China,
Солидарность с нашими китайскими товарищами on Russian.
the rising sun is plunging its dagger into our exposed eastern.
Here we can see the Japanese-Soviet border, approximately, where the Japanese advanced, though. The Soviet advanced.
Eastern lands. The Soviet Union stands alone against imperialism. We can rely on no one.
On the fall of London, as we saw in the start of the trailer.
We shall defeat the Japanese as we have defeated the Germans.
Basic artwork: Soviet fighting against the Japanese.
The Soviet workers are unconquered. We are unconquerable. If we must
Soviet
win
workers.
this war alone, we shall do that.
Alright, here we can see that the Soviets fully occupied Manchuria and as well as Korea. So the Soviets crushed the Japanese basically without the help of the UK and probably not of the US. So, well, we can speak here for a victory from the Soviets. Complete Manchuria and Korea is occupied. The occupation of Manchuria and Korea is partly historical, since the Soviet Union attacked first Japan in 1945, then occupied Manchuria from 1945 up to 1946, as well as North Korea. But here we can see all of Korea occupied. And then basically it's done. The artwork of Vladimir Lenin fighting towards the Japanese fascists. Alright, that's done with our analysis. I hope you learned a bit more about history maybe and about the game on its own. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe and comment for more.